certain people who are friends and you're probably watching this, they don't know how to take a picture of me, y'all, and I be tight. I be dumb tight. Anybody that want to be in my video, subscribe. What happened? Buy my ebook. What happened? What happened? What happened?
That's my best friend.
Alright, so we just got to Coney Island, you guys. You gotta surround yourself with positive people. People that's really, you feel, you hear my A1 in the back, you know what I'm saying? Like, so that's what we're doing right now. I'm gonna show you guys how to shoot your friends for their Instagram with your pocket camera. Y'all, I'm so mad they have the readers here. Like, every time I go to my best friend Kelly's house in Jersey, I have to wait till I go to Jersey to get readers. They come oh my god! Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, okay? Before we even get into this video. Yes, I can't wait. Y'all, it's so windy.
Right.
And this guy's all in my video. I'm about to block you.
Alright, let's do this, guys.
All right.
I got my food. Anyone that wants to start a YouTube channel on your iPhone, make sure you get my copy, 8-Day YouTube Starter Kit.
What?
Make sure, buy my ebook. Yeah.
She's talking to her fans right now. Shut up.
Make sure y'all get your ebook, subscribe to this channel, start your YouTube videos in your YouTube channel. No excuse.
Too much happening.
Oh boy, why?
Too much happening.
What's happening? What the fuck do you not get?
Where do I?
Because I'm talking to my YouTubers.
Where do I look?
I'm talking to my fans too. Stop moving my damn box.
Where do I sit? What do I do?
Jameson told me the other day, because Zoe asked me to cover today, because I always say yes, Toby. I was like, hell to the no. Jameson came to me, he was like, bitch, every time they ask me, I say no every fucking time. Like, he's a whole mood, like an entire mood.
Jameson,
It's okay. It's my fault. You shouldn't be standing in front of the door. How much was it? It looks so good.
Nice.
Before we get into this video, make sure that you buy my ebook.
Buy the damn ebook.
Buy the ebook.
Buy the ebook.
Find you.
Change my social media life. Okay? Do it. She got tips for days.
Leave a comment. Hit that subscribe button.
It ain't expensive. Just do it.
All it takes is a click.
And a pocket camera, your iPhone.
Full tattoo.
It says, I come as one, but I stand as 10,000.
Ah!
I gotta remind myself sometimes. My ancestors had my back. Alright, so tip number 1. It blows mine when people, alright, let me be nice. Tip number 1, you guys. So when you're taking pictures of your friends for their Instagram or social media and all that good stuff, you want to make sure that you're not taking pictures where you are at the same level as the person. Those who want their leg to appear longer and elongated, I highly recommend you kind of crouching down and kind of tilting the phone towards you. But say if we did a little closer and then like you did the, so it makes me look like,
Yeah.
you know
But you want the full shot.
Yeah.
Yep. Good.
So that you can get pictures like this with great depth of field. You always want to be mindful too of where your friend is facing. For example, in this picture, we really wanted shadows and silhouettes, so we made sure that we were facing the sun. But as you can see in this picture, or rather this video, you see how the lighting is different on Miji's face, my A1 steak sauce. And tip number 3, you want to make sure that you get creative. Like, we're in New York City, we just ended up going to Coney Island, and as you can see here, I decided to take videos and pictures of us through the glass. So like I said, think outside the box.